Into this video we are going to see how to make a search API call on catalog scroll endpoint in BHCO. In addition to the traditional search endpoint, the catalog search API makes available also a scroll style endpoint. This is useful when having to get a big number of results. The main difference, in addition to the endpoint URL, is that when doing the call, the way you set the page size is different from the standard search. Into the standard search, you define pagination, page number, and page size into your request. So each time you will have to change the page number in order to get new results. Into the scroll style API, you just define the page size for each result. You don't need to specify pagination and page number. After the first call, you will get a scroll ID into the response, which you will append to the URL of the subsequent calls. In this way. So you will call the same endpoint multiple times with the same scroll ID all the times. Every time you will call the endpoint with the scroll ID, you will get to the next page, and there is no page number. Once the content is finished, calling the scroll ID call will return empty. Let's see how it works. First of all, we'll generate a JWT token with the API keys call. Then we will go to the scroll endpoint call. As you can see, this is the search scroll endpoint. We set a small page size of 10 just for the sake of testing, and into this call we are gonna search for entity type of type VMware cluster. Let's make the first call. Let's make a call, and the output returns page size 10 and this scroll ID and all the results of the clusters we need, of the first 10 clusters. In order to see if there are additional clusters, we need to add the scroll ID to the URL and make a new call. As you can see, new results are returned. We can make a new call and more results are returned. Then a new call, and we repeat until the results are empty, like now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.